What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how I edit my green screen videos. As you can see, this background you're looking at is fake. This is how I shoot my videos, and this is the magic. My name is Sans, but I help content creators, video editors, skit makers level up their video editing skill. If this sounds like what you're interested in, let's hop in. First of all, you have to do is to open CapCut app, click on new project, then you select, first of all you select what you want to use as the background of your green screen. So let's say I want to use this Brain Jotta's picture. Click on add, then I'll click on aspect ratio. I'm going to click on YouTube. I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to zoom in this way. Let's say I need it to be this way. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on overlay. Once I click on overlay, I'm going to import my green screen video. So guys, this is the green screen video I want to use. I'm going to click on add. So guys, once we have our green screen video on our timeline, all we have to do is to extend this background a bit so it will be a bit longer, then we'll cut it. So I'm going to be using this frame to show you guys how I edit my green screen. First of all, I'm going to crop this. I'm going to crop it this way, then bring the side here again. Then I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to zoom in to fit in. The next thing to do is to click on remove BG. So I'm going to click on chroma key. I'm going to select this green. Once I select this green, I'm going to add intensity a bit. Then I'm going to add a shadow a bit, clean up edge little. Then I'm going to click OK. The next thing to do is to go to hue and saturation under adjustments, HSL. Then I'll go to green. I'm going to reduce all the green here. Next thing to do is to go to effect, video effects, and we'll search for blur. Once you see the blur video, click on blur. Talking about you can reduce the intensity of the blur depending on how you want it. Just make it makes it look real, like realistic. You can add mic to it, you can add seed to it. Any other thing you want to add, you're just going to add it as overlay and range it. But basically, this is how I remove green screen from CapCut app using my mobile phone. So guys, this is how I make my videos. If you really learn something from this video tutorial, hit the subscribe button and check out this video on the screen.